Okay, hi, this is Anandya. I had some snoring issues before. I had snoring and choking issues while I was sleeping, and the snoring was very severe. Many people complained about my snoring as well, and I met my brother-in-law who is in Switzerland, who is Kishore Sandhu. He recommended me to meet Vikas sir and get sleep study done. So we came here. We did a sleep apnea for one night, and we got to know that I need to get operated for my throat. So which I did 2 weeks ago. Just after the operation, next day itself, my mom told me that I had stopped snoring, no snoring at all. Now it is 2 weeks from the day I was operated. I am able to gulp food. I'm able to drink properly. There's no pain in my throat. The snoring has completely stopped. My mom says that they don't even know that I'm sleeping besides them. So snoring has gone for life now, and I'm happy about the surgery which has happened. And there's no pain in it. So if people think that throat operation is going to give a lot of pain if you're going to do surgery for your sleep apnea or snoring, I would recommend that just come and get it done, because it is just a surgery which will get your snoring away from your life.
आप क्या बोलते हैं? आप क्या बोलती हैं?
सांगते ना.
बताइए.
काय सांग ना, बोल की नाही काहीतरी.
म्हणजे तुमच्या ऑपरेशनमुळे खूप त्याला बरं वाटलं आणि त्याच्या ह्याच्यात खूप प्रगती आली. म्हणजे पहिल्यापेक्षा खूपच फरक पडलेला आहे. आणि पूर्वी तो खूप म्हणजे गोरायचा वगैरे, त्याला झोप पण व्यवस्थित हे व्हायचं नाही. पण ऑपरेशनमुळे त्याला खूप बरं वाटायला लागलं आणि गोरणं त्याचं पूर्ण बंद झालेलं आहे. त्यामुळे त्याला खूपच फरक पडलेला आहे. त्यामुळे तुमचे खूप आभारी आहोत.